This is a summary of the essential content from the food studies topic, Preparing Food, Prep Time. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. Proper preparation of food is crucial for its overall quality, affecting its appearance, flavor, and texture. Different types of food require specific skills, such as filleting, portioning, and shaping, to prepare them properly. Pre-cooking preparation techniques can change the texture, taste, and appearance of food, like tenderizing meat or marinating it for flavor. Cooking meat, poultry, and fish require additional skills like safe handling, checking for readiness, and adjusting seasoning during the cooking process. Knife skills are essential for preparing fruits and vegetables, including slicing, dicing, and cutting them into even pieces. Fruits and vegetables can be tenderized, marinated, and creatively presented to enhance their texture, flavor, and appearance. Getting the taste right is a crucial skill in cooking, involving sensory tests, adjusting seasonings, and using herbs and spices to enhance flavors. Preparing flour-based foods like bread, biscuits, and pastries requires skills such as shaping, portioning, and testing sensory qualities. Cake-making skills include using raising agents, incorporating air into the mix, and using fats to create structure. Eggs, fats, and dairy products play essential roles in dishes like emulsified sauces, meringues, and setting mixtures through coagulation.